We got a very breezy morning this morning at the field. It's 13 mile an hour winds, left and right, up and down. I'm not going to take any flaps off with my commander this morning. I'm going to try to get a couple of laps around the field, or at least around the that part of the field up there to my right. Oh boy, it is windy. So we'll see if we can. 13 is the steady state from what I saw, and just going to see if we can see how we can do here. 3S 3200 getting tossed around pretty good. Probably gonna kite just like my Super Timber did yesterday. There it is. Pretty much kiting. I don't think this is a day for aerobatics, excuse me. Probably a day just to stay in the air, have a little bit of fun getting to fly. Yeah, definitely going to stay
5 minutes.
over to my in front of me here now. That's pretty much into the wind. Running around to the left. Bringing around hard. Stay over the field. So for some reason it has to come down. It'd be a much better place to bring her down. Stay away from the ducks and the geese, rather. Someone asked me yesterday, I must like flying in wind, because I always seem to be flying in wind, but if I want to fly some days, you got to do that. Is out straight. Do have a 4S 3200 in here today. There I am, pretty well kiting, not really moving forward, not doing much of anything. Throttle, back off a little bit. See if we could settle her down a little bit lower.
2 minutes.
2 minutes on the timer. I should have plenty of power because my timer is usually set, let's see, I'm at 3.9, so yeah, I got tons of power. Let's go around again. There she is, the Commander, mPd. 1.4, flying in 13-mile-an-hour winds. Oop. And I can't taxi in the longer grass. But thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it. Comments would be great. Let me know what you think. I know it wasn't an acrobatic or aerobatic flight, but it was definitely a little bit of a challenge.